Back to the channel, everybody. Today we've got a little day in the life. It is about 9:19 a.m. right now. I'm about to head onto the charts and do live trading with the Discord room. Let's see, we got some bum energies right here. We got Cherry Frost left, or we got Champion Mentality, whatever flavor that is. I think I'll go with Champion Mentality today. So we're about to hop on the charts and do some live trading with the Discord. I'll let you guys know how that goes, and then I'll pick up with you the rest of the day. So yeah, peace out. Guys, so we are on the charts live trading. As you can see, we got the Discord call right there, trading view right there, and we are gonna cook up some trades. I will alert the live trading Discord when I'm about to take a position. So if you want access to getting these live calls that we have every single day, the link will be down in the description and you can join the Discord and yeah, you could trade with us, etc. But for now, we're going to look for a good trade. I'm going to show you the results of it, whether it's a win, lose, break even, no trade day. I'm going to show you. I'm going to be transparent. I'm going to be honest with you as my, my students, as the people that watch me, as the people that trust me, etc. And then after that, we'll pick up with the rest of the day and we'll see what we got planned. So peace. Guys, literally nothing on the charts right now. It's about 10:15, so we've been on the charts for about, 30 to 45 minutes now. Literally nothing. Today is the 13th of January. Price on US 30 and gold and NASDAQ are the three pairs that I trade. Just not looking great right now. Just NASDAQ chopping. Gold is at all-time highs, and US 30 at market open just dumped and kept dumping and is continuing to dump and not retracing. So right now, we're just going to be patient. This is the part of trading that they don't tell you about. They tell you that, oh, you could make $10,000 in 5 minutes. This is the part they don't tell you about. Sitting on your hands, remaining patient, waiting for A+ setups, etc. So yeah, let me show you guys this price action. This is NASDAQ's price action. It's actually cleaning up a little bit. We're in a higher time frame area here on NASDAQ, so we can see that it's clearly rejecting this area. What I'm going to be waiting for is something along the lines of this for it to pull back into this area so we can catch a discounted price entry. As far as what's happening on gold, this is all-time highs at gold right now. It broke this area this morning. Gold is at all-time highs. And as we can see, my level's down here. No real significant entry for me unless it comes back down here. As far as US 30, man, this was the 930 candle right here. And we can see what it has done. No entry there for me either. So yeah, just going to remain patient. Like I said, this is the part of trading they don't tell you about, the part where you have to remain patient, the part where you have to sit on your hands and wait for A+ setups. That's the part that most people can't grasp or can't handle. So yeah, I'm going to continue to be in this live call with my students and teach them patience and teach them to wait for A+ setups. And if we get a trade, I'll alert them. But right now, it looks like, as of right now, it's going to be a no trade day unless NASDAQ maybe pulls back into that area for us. Other than that, I think after this, I'll make a quick food, and then I'll head to the gym, and I'll film all that stuff for you. So, yeah. All right, everybody, so just got done with the live call. It's about 11 a.m. now. No trades for the day. Just didn't see anything I wanted to take. NASDAQ finally pulled up back into the zone. By the time it did, it was already 11 o'clock, which I don't trade past the hours of 11 o'clock. Same thing on US 30 here. It did kind of make moves off this zone and off this area, but it's past 11. When I learned how to trade, it was never, ever to trade past 11. That is just my rules, and that is just my strategies. So I'm not going to change it now. But yeah, guys, no trade day. And I wanted to kind of go over my TradeZella here. You guys can see here, it's kind of been a slow start to the month for me. Started off the new year with a 2-day losing streak, finally got a winner yesterday, but we had no trade day last week, no trade day last week, and then another no trade day today. So a little bit of a slower week. From compared to November, October through December when I was trading 10 copy traded accounts. For those of you that don't know, that are maybe new to my channel, I trade 10 copy traded Apex accounts, 100K accounts. So that's the reason I can produce big profits like 16K and 11K, because I am copy trading 10 accounts. But going into, same thing here you see in this month, but going into December and into January, I used my live account as well, maybe some smaller funded accounts, companies. So that's why why the profits are smaller, just trying to get a feel for the markets again since I took 2 weeks off for Christmas. But yeah, that's the reason the profits have been significantly smaller since like October, because you can see I'm using my 10 copy traded accounts here compared to January, where I'm using my live account and some other smaller funded accounts. So at the end of the day, guys, this is my strategy. I didn't see it today, so I didn't trade. And I went ahead, and I'll actually pull it up for you guys while we're here on this video. I went and alerted the Discord, and let's pull this up. I said to the guys in my Discord, I said, everyone, lots more no trade days recently. I'm proud of you all for handling them so well. From having no trade days since the live room started 2 months ago to now having 3 no trade days in a span of a week. I'm proud of you all for being patient and learning how to handle them as pro traders do. Okay, remember that the best traders have a set of rules and strategy that they follow. There's no ifs, ands, or buts about it. That's one thing that helped me take my trading to the next level, is not making excuses for entering trades. God bless you all. Let's continue to stick to our plan, because at the end of the day, a no trade day is still not a losing day. We didn't lose any money. So yeah, guys, that's the trading day for the day. A little bit of a slower start to the month of January than I would have liked. But yeah, guys, that's just trading. Sometimes I've been trading full time for a couple years now. I've made over $70,000 in 1 month, so I know how to handle days like this, and that's what the live trading room is for, to pass knowledge on like this to my students. So yeah, guys. Now that trading is done, I've got my prayer book and my prayer out and my Bible out here, and I'm going to do a little bit of reading in the scriptures and a little bit of prayers in my prayer book. Disclaimer, I usually do all that to start my morning. A lot of you are probably wondering, oh, why would you go trade and try to make money without first saying your prayers and reading your scriptures and stuff like that first? I usually do. I had a little bit of a mishap waking up this morning. All good, no problem. Just gonna, for this one day, just gonna do the prayers and the scripture reading after I trade. So we're gonna get into that now. Also, got a nice protein shake here. Gonna hit the gym after I do my prayers and read. Not gonna make any food right now. Just kind of letting the dogs roam around in the backyard. Look at the pool. Look how messy the pool is. Holy crap. This happens when it's winter and nobody swims in it. It's all messy. But yeah, got a nice protein shake here. Gonna hit the gym. This is gonna be my pre-workout snack. So after I finish this up, let the dogs run around back here a little bit, finish up reading my scriptures and saying my prayers, we'll be off to the gym. All right, everybody, we are in the car headed to the gym. Now, what I do, it is about 12:26 in the afternoon right now. Usually what I do is I go to the gym around 5:30 a.m. before the market opens. But like I said, little mishap this morning. So we are headed to the gym now at about 12:30. And what I usually do at 12:30, a little disclaimer here, is I usually do grappling and MMA every single day in the afternoon after the trading session. But last week, doing some grappling, I pulled a muscle in my chest. So I'm feeling a lot better because it was a week ago. So I'm going to the gym to do some light recovery work and some pull work. So when I film the workout and you guys see like weights that a 3-year-old girl would lift, don't be like, oh my gosh, this guy is just a weakling. I promise I'm not a weakling. I'm just doing recovery work until my chest feels better. And then we should be able to get back to grappling later this week and full effort in the workouts later this week. So I'll see you guys at the gym. People, all right, we have made it to Lifetime Fitness, my gym. Let's put in this work. Okay guys, we are out by the outdoor pool right now. Where I live in Raleigh, it is 48 degrees out right now. We've had colder days in Raleigh, don't get me wrong. It's been in like the high 20s sometimes in the morning and stuff like that, but 49 is still freezing. And because I haven't been wrestling since my injury, my muscle pull, life and the days have gone by easier because, you know, wrestling and grappling is extremely hard. It makes life harder throughout the day. It makes you dig in. And I haven't done anything hard since I really got injured. The workouts were light. The weight I was using was light. So I haven't really had to do anything like super difficult and super hard. So what do you say we, in the outdoor pool in the 49-degree weather, jump in and do something difficult? Not only is it difficult, it'll help. Cold, that's why you ice pulled muscles. It'll help. So yeah, let's do it. My body literally hurts. Oh, bro, I'm literally in pain right now. Like, it hurts. It's refreshing. It's good for the body. But oh my gosh, it literally, like, my body's like stinging. But oof, feels good to get her done. Let's go get some food. Okay, we are officially all changed up, showered, warm shower after that cold plunge, all that good jazz, combed hair. I'm looking fresh. So what we're gonna do is we're going to go get some food. It's about 2:33 in the afternoon right now. Finished up the workout, finished up the cold plunge. You guys already saw what we did in the morning. Go ahead and get some lunch now because I'm absolutely starving. Like I said, I just showed you guys that protein shake this morning that I had, and that is it so far. So absolutely starving. I'm in a pretty populated area right now, so I don't really know what I want to eat yet, but we'll see because, like I said, we're just in Raleigh. There's a lot of stuff around, so I'll definitely show you guys what I get. All right, guys, I am just finished up eating and I'm headed home now. 2 lessons I kind of want to share with you guys based off what I was thinking about when I was eating in there. Obviously, you guys are gonna be like, wow, you thought about all this over a simple batch of tacos? Yes, I did. I'm deep in my thoughts. Thought number 1 that I wanted to share with you guys is, man, being a day trader is such a blessing, and I thank God for it in my prayers and in my life every single day and night. It is a Tuesday, a day of the week, and all I've done today, as it is 3:15 now, is wake up, trade with my team, go to the gym, play with my dogs, and eat food. That's it. So if you guys are nervous about taking that risk, taking that chance, look what's on the other side of it. And did I make $70,000 in a month and, you know, all this and have all this freedom because I was trading for 1 month? No. I stuck through the grind. I stuck through the process for years, and I didn't give up. Thought number 2, I was in there alone. Nobody really around me. You guys can probably see the restaurant was kind of empty. I didn't have anybody with me. Man, it is okay to do stuff alone. You guys probably see all these videos on TikTok and these influencers who have all their best friends and stuff like that with them. Guys, it is okay to grind alone, to fail alone, to succeed alone, to struggle alone. If you got to do it alone, if nobody believes in you, if you don't got any friends, man, keep talking to God. He's your best friend. Keep praying. And just understand that it's okay to be alone. Don't be embarrassed about it. Don't think you're a loser if you are. Man, if you got to do something alone, do it. So those are the 2 thoughts I thought about while I was just eating in my thoughts there. Don't forget, guys, it's okay. Christ loves you. And yeah, so just finished eating. Gonna go ahead and get home now, and I'll pick up with you guys there. All right, everybody, finally home after wrapping up all the stuff I had to do today. Probably going to go ahead and call this video here. I've got a lot of work to do tonight. I've got some videos I got to create and send into the Discord in terms of learning concept videos for the Discord students. That's another thing. It's not only a live trading room. I also send stuff into the Discord for you guys to watch, modules for you guys to learn, etc. So don't forget to check out the Discord down in the description if you want access to all of this. So I've got a lot of work to do for that. I've got some stuff to do in terms of I got to do a TikTok live. So if you guys want to be able to join my TikTok lives daily, that link is also in the description. And then I've got to do some work for my clothing brand, which is what I actually wanted to finish off this video by showing you guys is actually some pieces from the new fall/winter drop that my brand just did. So my brand is called Our King. Our King really is what I should be saying. It's a Christian clothing brand. It is clothing that represents God. It is not what is the word people use these days? I don't know. I'll use the Arabic term. It is not haram clothing. It is just Christian clothing made for our Lord and Savior, Jesus Christ. So let's go over this first piece. Obviously, we have like 17 or 18 total pieces in the winter drop, but I'll show you like 3 or 4 of them just so you guys get an idea of what kind of clothing we make. So this is one of my favorite pieces. This first one, it is an In God's Hands shirt in the shape of a cross. There it is on the back. You can get all of these shirts in the colorways that you guys want to. As well on the front here, it's got it in a smaller size for logo style, as well our name and our established year. So there's that one. This is my favorite piece personally. I absolutely love these actual comfy joggers. Man, I love these. You can see right here, logo stitched perfectly in there, comfy. You can wear them to the gym, you can wear them to bed, you can wear them to the movies, around the house. My favorite piece by far. Next, we've got right here, this is a shirt that says, "Walk by faith, not by sight." Again, this is in the tan color, one of my favorite ones, but you can get this in many different colorways that you guys want. Same idea as the shirt before. It's got it in the top left in a smaller size. And look at this. This is all stretchy clothing. It's comfortable. Look at the bicep and tricep arm area. It stretches, so you can wear it to the gym. You can wear it, like I said, around the house. You can wear it to dinner, church, wherever you go, where you want to wear these clothing, it is. So that link is also in the description. I got a lot of links in my description. Check it out. But nevertheless, guys, that's going to be it for me. I hope you guys enjoyed a day, kind of a morning/afternoon of what I do in my life. Got a lot to do tonight, so I'm going to go ahead and call this video here. I appreciate all of you guys, as always. Don't forget that Jesus Christ loves all of you, and I will see you guys in the next one.